Okay kids, this is going to be RadTech student tip number 10. I'm doing 20 tips for new and aspiring RadTech students, and this is going to be number 10. As you're starting your classes and doing tests, I want you to be wary of word problems. Anything that has to do with math, your instructors might try to trick you because the registry might try to trick you. So they want you to be ready for this, okay? Here's what I want you to do for word problems, class. I want you to write down what you're given, pick the right formula, plug in, and solve. So how are we going to solve this problem? Radiographic exposure produces 0.123 coulombs of electrical charge in 1.1 kilograms of air. The X-rays have an average energy of 100 keV. What is the exposure? What are they trying to do here? Trick you with the keV thing, right? Because that's not in the actual equation. So you need to know your equation. So the formula for exposure in air is coulombs per kilogram. So the formula for exposure is X is equal to Q, which is the charge, or coulombs, and then divided by M, which is the mass of air, which is kilograms. So exposure is coulombs per kilogram. That's how exposure is measured in air. So you're going to take the 0.123 and divide it by 1.1 and ignore the 100 keV because it's not a part of that equation. That's so mean. Why would they do that to you? And then so the answer is 0.112 coulombs per kilogram. Ionization in air. That's the SI unit. If they want Rankins, which is the old unit, which they won't, you would just have to take it by the formula, which is 1 Rankine is equal to 2.58 times 10 to the negative 4th power. Yeah. Don't worry about that unless you have like a school worksheet that's making you do that. It probably will. But yeah. I'm going to be uploading a study chart to my Discord with all of the other information in this person's comment. So if you go to her comment, she's asking about like changing units and stuff. So I'm going to put a unit changing sheet in the Discord. So go join that if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys later.